morning everyone. How are you all? Fine, very good. So class, excited to begin our today's day? Okay. So today is Friday and we are going to begin our class with something really very interesting. बहुत मजा आएगा. Why? Because today I am going to narrate you a story. आज मैम आप सबको एक story सुनाएंगी and I know you all enjoy listening to the stories, isn't it? Yes. So, what this story is about? इस story में कौन-कौन है? We have. What is this? A bell. Okay. Who is this? Meow. Meow. It's a cat. How a cat does? Meow. Meow. Isn't it? Yes. And we have a family of mouse. It's a very big family. I have drawn only few, but we have a big family of mouse. Now, what this story is all about? We all know cat always catches the mouse, isn't it? Cat क्या करती है? चूहों को पकड़ती है और खा जाती है. कितनी सारी poems हैं, isn't it? बिल्ली मौसी कहो कहाँ से आई हो, है ना? तो अब बिल्ली मौसी cat, what she does? She always catch the mouse and eat. अब क्या हुआ? One day, this family of mouse was living very happily. उन्होंने क्या किया था? एक जंगल में छोटा सा हाउस था and they all were living there with lot of food, grains, everything, and they were happily enjoying. Suddenly, from that house, near to that house, was passing a cat. Meow, meow. And she was walking. When she was walking, जब वो उस घर के पास से जा रही थी, she saw meow, so many mouse. Wow, I will eat them all. What she said? Wow, there are so many mouse. I'm going to eat them all. Meow. And then what happened? Tell me what happened. All the mouse, they got frightened. Then what happened? They thought of something to do with the bell. Just think, क्या करने वाले होंगे वो इस बेल के साथ? क्या वो घर के गेट पे लगाएंगे? क्या somebody will guard the house and ring the bell? क्या होगा इस बेल का? Let's see. I will show you pictures by pictures and I will explain the story. Let's begin with the story, okay? So class, now let's begin with the story once again. I'll show you pictures and we'll see what's happening there. Once there lived a family of a mouse. They lived happily in the jungle. In between the jungle, they were having a beautiful home to live in, where all these mouse, they used to live happily. They used to play together, eat together, sleep together and enjoy their day. In their house, they have plenty of food to eat. Then what happened? See, all of them are enjoying with lot of food to eat, drinks, and they are all happy. Can you see all of them? They are just enjoying, dancing and living happily with each other. One day, there came a cat. Meow, meow. And she saw, wow, meow, so many mouths. If I get them every day, I'll be happy. I don't have to search for food anywhere else. She thought it that way. And what happened next? She went near to their house and looked inside. Can you see here? A cat? What is she doing? She is watching. And all these mouse, they were not aware that a cat is watching them. They all were sitting and talking with each other. He is, who's it? He is the eldest member of the mouse family, Grandpa Mouse. He was telling stories to other mouse and they all were enjoying and listening. Then what happened? When they saw the cat, they started running here and there and everywhere. Here and there and everywhere. They are running out of fear. Fear of whom? Fear of the cat. How it happened? When they were going out to get their food. अब देखो, सबको रोज फूड लेने तो जाना ही पड़ता था. इतनी बिग फैमिली है. They need lot of food. So whenever they used to move out of their house, cat ने क्या किया? She was just standing outside their house. So जब भी कोई mouse बाहर निकलता, she used to catch it और वो उसे खा जाती. और जैसे ही किसी माउस को पकड़ के वो खाती, all other mouse they start running here and there and everywhere just because of fear. डर की वजह से वो यहाँ वहाँ भागने लग जाते अपनी जान बचाने के लिए, to save themselves. And then like this, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, and every day the cat was catching the mouse and the family of the mouse was becoming smaller and smaller every day. हर रोज वो बिल्ली चूहों को खा जाती और जो चूहों की फैमिली थी, what was happening? डेली उसमें से चूहे कम होते जा रहे थे. Why? Because cat was catching them. बिल्ली उन्हें पकड़ रही थी और खा रही थी. Then what happened? Then all the mouse sat together for the discussion. सबने बोला, अरे भाई ऐसे तो नहीं चलेगा. No, this is not done. We have to think of something. And one of the mouse, who the grandpa mouse, was just talking to the family members, out of which when grandfather mouse was talking to everyone, one of the younger mouse came out and said, How if we tie a cat with a bell? What will happen? उसने बोला क्या होगा अगर हम बिल्ली के गले में घंटी बांध दें? Then whenever she will come to attack us, we will come to know and we can save ourselves. उस माउस ने बोला जब भी whenever the cat will come and she'll walk, the bell will ring, and when the bell will ring, each and every one of us will come to know. हमें पता लग जाएगा कि बिल्ली आ रही है, and we all can run and save ourselves. So everybody was happy. Wow, finally we got an idea. Now we all will do this. And what happened? All these mouse, they arranged a bell. वो कहीं से एक bell को arrange करके लाए with the ribbon in it to tie it. किसको? बिल्ली के गले में, उसकी neck में tie करने के लिए. Then what happened the next? Now Grandpa Mouse said, "Who will bell the cat?" अब बेल तो आप ले आए, उस बिल्ली के गले में घंटी बांधेगा कौन? Do you think it is an easy task? And everybody was shocked to listen. अरे हाँ, he is right. Who will do this? Isn't it a difficult task for a mouse to go and tie a bell in its neck? आपको नहीं लगता it's difficult है? Then everybody was saying yes, it's not a good idea to do that. And all of them became sad again because the problem was again there and then. Problem तो वहीं की वहीं रही because it was not easy to bell the cat. Now, what's the moral behind the story? Easier said than done. That means giving an advice is very easy. किसी को सलाह देना तो बहुत easy होता है. But to do the same is difficult. उस सलाह को खुद से करके दिखाना बहुत difficult होता है. Everybody can give you an advice, but the only benefit of the advice is if it is possible to be done, to be followed. Understood, everyone? Now it's time for you all to watch the story again and learn it. Bye all. Take care.